Good afternoon, lifestylers, and welcome to Lifestyle with Latasha. Well, in today's video, you're going to be with me as I prepare to do a refresh on our bedroom space. It has been long overdue. I've decided to get a new comforter set, something that is light and bright for spring. And if this is something that you're interested in doing or watching, absolutely hit that like button and please subscribe if you're interested in getting more content about this channel. As we get started, I've got to take all the old bedding off. And as you can see, there are quite a bit of pillows, but hey, it's what we enjoy. So I'm going to do a refresh on this bedroom space, and I hope that you enjoy this video. And thank you for joining me today. So here, this is the bed set that I got from Bedsure from Amazon. And so this is my first time trying them out and opening up the package. It seems to be really small, but I guess it was just compact. So I've already put on the fitted sheet, and now I'm going to put on some bed spray just to freshen it up and give it the scent that my husband and I enjoy so much. And we're going to go from there. I will link anything that I have that has been purchased that is available down below. So definitely keep your eye open for those items as well. So putting these sheet sets on, I must admit, they seem to be quite soft. So I'm really excited to be able to try them out and see how they work. The comforter is a lot thinner than what we normally had. And so I'm really excited because it is getting warmer, and we definitely want to make sure that we're comfortable at night. So here's the comforter. And as I said, it's a lot thinner than the one that we had before. But I must admit, I'm really impressed with it. And I love the detail that is all over the comforter set. And so it just gives some immediate interest when you walk into the room. And it's very, very eye-catching when you see it. So here I'm going to be throwing on some throw pillows. These are some covers that I got from Amazon. So they're on top of the original pillows that I had, all three of these. And I just absolutely love it. They give it a little bit of glam, which I really love. So I enjoy this. This throw also came from Amazon. I bought it last fall. And it's just something we put on the bed just in case we want a little bit of extra comfort or it gets a little chilly at night. This tray here, I actually got from Target a few years back, and I've had it for a while. This actual floral I got from Biglots, I want to say maybe 2 months ago, so I'll link it down below as well. Of course, you guys know, if you've been watching this channel, I love my candles. So now, as you can see here, I'm adjusting the lights. This chandelier that I have above actually came from Amazon, and it has multiple settings, and you can have it where it has ambient lighting, which is so pretty. So I just adjusted it. This vase I've had for quite a few years, and on the inside, I took some cherry blossom stems that I actually got from Amazon, and I put them inside just to give that corner some interest. And here you're seeing me put in some tapers and some candlesticks that I also got from Amazon, and I'll link them down below. Now these, I just thought this was so appropriate. These are some lovebirds that I've had for quite a few years, and I just thought they would be perfect in this corner. And there you have it. What I really love about redoing and refreshing our bedroom is to give it a little bit of tranquility, a little bit of a getaway escape. I really like it. So this box here, I actually got these from Target a few years back. And as you'll see, my husband has one and I have one. And in there, we typically keep things just to keep the nightstands from being totally decluttered. And then I added in some little florals that I got from Biglots. Of course, I have to have a candle on my side. And the final thing that I'm going to add on this side of the room is a olive tree that I got from Amazon, and I'll definitely link that down below. I thought it was a perfect size. I'm probably going to end up getting some kind of clay planter to make it more larger in that corner. For right now, I'm just going to sit there. So this is that side of the room. And then I'm going to adjust over to my dresser. And so over here, I'm going to put in a floral. This is something that I've had for quite a few years. I want to say I probably got it from an estate sale years back. And I thought it was just a perfect touch to add to my dresser. And then here, this is a diffuser that actually puts aroma in the room with essential oils. And of course, another candle. And here you have it. Here's the entire room set up. I'm not really doing anything in the sitting area of our bedroom just yet. However, we've got some plans and we're contemplating painting it a different color. We're just not sure how we want to go and what color we want to go with. So that's still in limbo. But I think this is really cozy and it gave the room such a brightness and a freshness. And so I'm really excited that we're able to do it. And here is that chandelier that I was telling you about. And that's it adjusting with the light. And you can see how differently it affects the room. So guys, I want to just say thank you for joining me today as I did our bedroom refresh. And of course, as I've mentioned before, there's just something about Twilight ambient lighting that makes the room so pretty. So as you can see, the sun has started to set outside. I've still got the blinds open. However, it just really shows you what the room looks like at night. And I love it. If this is something that you're enjoying, please hit that like button. And of course, subscribe if you're interested in this channel. And then definitely leave comments down below. As always, I want to say thank you for joining me today on Lifestyle with Latasha. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And as I always say, make great memories. And until the next time, I'll see you later.